Making the worm. Low. Start off from the inch-and-a-quarter stop. Raise the shaft. Now it's working on the actual worm. 12 diametric pitch. Good old and quite nice. Might get a live center at some point, but I have to say this thing is working very well as far as the milling setup goes. It can take pretty much push load for this motor, which isn't much, but hey, it's a prototype, doesn't have to be fast. Here's the mating worm gear, also made by the same mill. A little bit rough. I learned some lessons on how to remove some of these horizontal lines, and that particular part doesn't have the same problems, but either way, we're doing pretty good. So, let's see, got a decent finish. Finish on this part is going to be much better. It's also heavy a lot smoother. So, it'll be a while yet before we do the finishing operation. This particular piece will take 17 hours to complete. Yeah. So, there we go. Showing the program. Here's the program scrolling across here. It's only a fraction of the way through. It's on line 50,000 out of approximately 480,000 lines in the entire program. So, yeah, it's going to be a minute.